closer to you. I'll be in your skin.
Only men can do my nails right.
You want to hold hands so bad. We are literally just friends.
Trap.
Don't judge me. Judge yourself. Look in that mirror and judge yourself. Okay, it's your girl Arbeilla Nichole. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you guys a little vloggy vlog. If you're new here, I talk about faith, fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if you like things like that, this is definitely the channel for you. Consider to subscribe, okay? And when you subscribe, do what subscribers do, which is like, comment, share. I will greatly appreciate it. To those that have been rocking with your girl, you already know how I feel about you. I love you down. Y'all, it's currently 11 o'clock. I got the hair on top of my head. I made a couple of appointments. I made an appointment to go see my dermatologist. I made an appointment for my nails. I'm going to get a Russian manicure and pedicure tomorrow. And then today, we're going to go see about this hair on my head. So I'm about to get dressed. Well, I don't have to be there until 3. Have to be there until about 3. But because my room is like how it is, I have nothing really in place. I'm going to start looking for something to wear. Now, I don't know if I want to go comfortable or if I want to get cute. I think I'm going to just go comfortable, and tomorrow I get cute. I also want to get my eyebrows waxed. I think I want to get some lash extensions. I need to go in and I just need to do a whole bunch of girly stuff. So that's what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. So this looks like it's going to be a maintenance vlog. Let's go.
Look at me real quick.
So y'all, I was supposed to do the Russian manicure tomorrow, but I saw Ben and I was just like, you know what? Let me go to Ben because it's been a while since I've been to him, because the last time I got my nails and feet done, I had to go to somewhere else because it was packed in here and I miss Ben. So I'm going to cancel my Russian manicure, pedicure. We're going to do that experience another day. And we're going to go to Ben because I need him to fix these nails immediately, because that lady did a horrible job on my feet. I absolutely hate it. And only Ben can do my nails right. So we're going to bed before I go get my hair done.
See? I have one. I told you what I want. I said friends. That's exactly what I'm getting. A pina colada. But I want a shot on the side because I just know it's not strong.
I like fries. I don't know. I like being friends with you. I want to be closer to you. I want to be in your skin. I want to stimulate your mind.
Can you?
I know I can. Christian, do you want to?
You wanted me to flirt? You wanted me to say?
Absolutely. You're terrible. I know how want to push my buttons, don't you? You like that, huh?
Pushing your buttons?
Trying to multitask.
No, I see how that works.
Don't worry.
Not enough.
It should come. I hope so. You make a little bit of
Rest.
You want to hold hands so bad. We are literally just friends, and you want to hold hands like we're friends. Hey y'all, so just coming to say hey to y'all. We'll also close out the vlog because I didn't close out the vlog yesterday. When I got home, I got on the phone and then started yapping and didn't go to sleep until late in the midnight hour. God's going to turn it around. He's going to work in your favor. Just you wait and see. Say late in the midnight hour. Okay. But I ain't want to leave out on a cliffhanger. What happened with my friend? Everything was put on the table. He want more than what I want, and so most likely we're not going to be friends any longer or talk, because we just want two different things. It's really hard for me to have male friends. It always leads into someone having more emotions towards the other, and sometimes, most times, it's said other person. And so it's really hard for me to have male friends. Sometimes it is what it is. I am a very cool individual, and I'm saying this like in the most humblest way. I am very cool. I'm very copacetic. I'm very understanding. Nothing really bothers me. And I think people take that on and create these ideas and thoughts in their head of what could be. But that's not always the case, right? So, yeah. And I'm leaving the footage in here because he knows that I was recording. He's okay with me recording. We didn't say that we wasn't gonna be friends anymore. It's just that usually that's how it happens when another person wants something more, then it just doesn't work. It just doesn't. It gets complicated and it doesn't work. And I don't want nothing more than what we already have. And that's not the case for him. So yeah, we move, and y'all know how I am. Like, I share this stuff with y'all because I think it really helps on how to navigate personal situations in your life. And then also glean, like, you know, take in if someone has some advice to give me. Y'all know how I operate. I'm an open book as much as possible. So yeah, it's sad because he's really beneficial. He's really beneficial to my life. I'm really beneficial to his life. And it's unfortunate that we couldn't, get a middle ground and an understanding. But we move on, right? I'm gonna greet y'all later because I'm vlogging again today. I think I'm going out today, and I'm also going out tomorrow. I think, we'll see. And Sunday, church. So I think this is going to be its own separate video because it was supposed to be a maintenance video. And then I'll vlog today, Saturday, and Sunday together as one vlog. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go so I can upload y'all, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later on today. Peace.